Hello guys, what's up? This is Mortaza from A Coder's Journey. Welcome back. This is the next episode of my Clean Code in C# series. And in this episode, again, I'm going to talk about a very important technique called named arguments, which can help, make your code cleaner if used properly. Now, in the last video, we kind of talked about, methods with many parameters. We talked about monadic methods, triadic methods, dyadic methods, methods with with 3 and 2 parameters respectively. And in this episode, I have decided to talk about named arguments. As you know, here, this method, the thing that you take in when you are declaring the method is called the parameter, and the thing or the object that you pass in when you are calling that method is called argument. So I think it is very important to distinguish between these two terms, an argument and a parameter. Sometimes they are used interchangeably, but the correct usage is that these are your arguments and these are the parameters. Now we need to get this clean and correct at the beginning. Now, what I want to talk about in this video is named arguments. Suppose here in this person class, I'm going to create a method. I'm going to say, for example, this method is named contact friend. And as the parameter, I'm going to say another person, friend. And then I'm going to say string communication means, and then I'm going to say date of contact, date and time of contact. So this method, as you can see, returns void, takes in 3 parameters. Now I'm going to use this method. I'm going to get rid of this code, and I'm going to say I'm going to use person dot contact friend, and the first parameter I'm going to say new person, right? This is the friend, and the communication means, let's say it is WhatsApp, right? And then the date time would be date time now, right? Now, as you can see here, we are calling the contact friend method and passing 3 values for our datetime.now. We are passing in 3 values for the parameters. These are the arguments. Now, the technique we are going to talk about in this video is named arguments. So, as the name suggests, this technique means to name your arguments. For example, here, this is the person, let's say friend to contact. This is the first parameter, right? Communication means and date time contact. As you can see here, I'm going to say friend to contact, and then I put in colon. Communication means it is already done by Visual Studio, and then I'm going to say date and time to contact. Was it date? Let me go to person and I'm going to say yes, that's it. So let me collapse this. Let me zoom out. As you can see here, when I'm going to call my contact friend method, I have named the arguments. So instead of, needing to, for example, going to the definition of this method to kind of figure out these 3 parameters here, whenever I call this method, I am going to name the arguments. So this makes my code cleaner and easier to understand. By just looking at this line of code, I can see that, okay, I am contacting the friend. This is the friend to contact, and this is the communication means, and this is the date and time of contact. Now, if I get rid of this, for example, it becomes difficult whenever I call this method. It is a little bit difficult for me to, for example, figure out why I have passed in a date time here. what does this, represent? But when I name the arguments, it makes my code cleaner, because here I can, instantly understand that, yeah, this is the date and time when I want to contact my friend. So use this technique to your advantage. Do not overuse it, but use it whenever you think that might, help your code become cleaner. I use it on a regularly, because I think it makes my code cleaner, and just by looking at the calling, the method that I have called, I instantly understand the role of these 3 different parameters. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If that's the case, make sure you subscribe to my channel, A Coder's Journey, and share this video with a friend. You can also activate the notification bell so that you do not miss out on my upcoming videos. Stay tuned. In the next video, we're going to talk about more interesting topics when it comes to writing clean code. Take care. Catch you later. Bye-bye.